Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to look at how to pull up detailed information for any model installed locally on your system using Ollama. If we check our command prompt where we ran the base Ollama command, you can see a complete list of what's available. To get the specific details of a model, we use the show command. Right now, we have 2 models installed on this machine, which we can easily verify by running a Llama list. Let's say we want to inspect the details for Llama 3.2. We just need to type Ollama show Llama and hit enter. Immediately, Ollama pulls up all the metadata for us. You can see the architecture, the parameter count, which is 3.2 billion, along with the context length, the specific quantization type used for optimization, and the official license. We can do the exact same thing for our second model. Let's type Ollama show Mistral and press enter. There it is. This one shows a 7.2 billion parameter count, along with its specific context length, embedding length, quantization details, and license agreement. And that is how you quickly check the underlying specifications and information for any local model using the Ollama show command. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.